Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you looking to shorten the amount of time that you have to spend doing your hair every day? I've been using this 3-in-1 tool that I got from OMOteam, and I love how it has shortened and streamlined my routine. So besides the obvious that this can dry your hair, straighten it, and you can get an amazing blowout look, it has technology that helps to eliminate frizz, make your hair shiny and healthy without damaging it. The Consistatemp PTC heating is awesome because it gives you even heat distribution, which means it's going to cut down on the amount of time you have to dry your hair. So I have fine hair that's medium length. I have a soft shag cut right now with curtain bangs. And this is like the perfect styling tool. So as I'm drying it, I'm also able to give it a little bit of body with curling as well. I generally go with that style for the first couple of days, and I only wash my hair about every 5 to 6 days. So in between, I can go back and freshen up the curl with it, or I can use the straightening capabilities. And I love how shiny it makes it, and it just smooths everything out so nice. So if you're a no-nonsense, get your hair done girl like I am, you're gonna love this blowout brush straightening comb curling wand from OMOteam as much as I have, and that's my point of view.